Hi, I'm Chip. I'm with Spraymaster Technologies. We're going to show you how to properly adjust your SMT Central System to where it pulls the right amount of chemical in for the proper dilution ratio. Every chemical has a different dilution ratio. Some chemicals are 2 ounces per gallon, some are 3 ounces per gallon, and we'll show you how to adjust that to where it's exactly right. We send all this information in a packet when we ship the system. Pay particular attention to this chemical dilution chart. This will help you a bunch. Now this is not that difficult, but we get questions on it all the time. So what I've done is I've taken the chemical, let's say this is the chemical that you're going to use, and I've poured it into a container that's measured in ounces. I've got 6 ounces of chemical in here. Now, this is the first chemical that we're going to dilute, the yellow chemical. I take it out of the container and I'm going to put it into this container holding 6 ounces of chemical. Now since this system uses 2 gallons of water per minute, and the chemical that we're using is a 2 ounce per gallon dilution ratio, I'll want to pull 4 ounces of chemical in 1 minute's time. Let's cut that in half. I'm going to pull 2 ounces of chemical in 30 seconds. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the system on. The system needs to be turned on and being used. But instead of spraying it through a gun, we're going to just turn the bleeder valve on. Whichever way you prefer, that's fine. So again, I'm going to try to pull 2 ounces of chemical out of this in 30 seconds time. So Dan, if you'll turn the system on, he's going to turn it on and he's going to select soap at the remote station, yellow chemical. Now he's going to turn the bleeder valve on, and I'm going to time this for 30 seconds. Ready? Go. You can see it's starting to pull the chemical out of the container. That's 10 seconds. That's 20 seconds. Stop. Okay, he'll shut it off for a second. So what you'll see is we pulled just a little under 2 ounces per that 30 seconds. So we need to open up the chemical injector. Every SMT Central System has this injector here, and we put a Allen key tied to the chemical injector tube. That way you can adjust it. Now there's a hole right underneath this chemical injector, and if I turn it clockwise, I would shut the chemical injector down, pulling less chemical in. So we know we need to open it up and draw a little bit more chemical. I'm going to turn it a quarter of a turn, and now we're going to repeat the test. Alright, same thing. Let's go back and do it again. Turn the bleeder valve on. Go this way. It's 20 seconds. Seconds. Okay. So we still didn't quite pull 2 ounces during that 30 seconds time. So I'm going to just repeat this process until I get the right amount of chemical taken out in that time. Now you can do it for a minute, you can do it for 30 seconds. It doesn't matter. Just remember, if you're doing it for 30 seconds, cut the amount of chemical that you want in half. If you have any questions about this, of course, feel free to give us a call. It's 800-548-3373, or you can reach us on the web at spraymastertech.com. Thanks.